play, Doomer. Here we go.
You gotta get out of first, guys. You out, you get out of first. Okay, guys?
That's good though, because I'm cutting mine down.
Are you?
Yeah.
Mine was a big
Play, everybody.
I might put mine down altogether. But I don't know what happened to my tank. Just all of a sudden it says it was fine until I filled it and then it come back with the wind.
I'm telling you. There's a bunch of money.
But
If
I
you
ain't
need
getting no
another
more.
hit, let me know.
Because I got about 12 tanks at home, so they ain't getting no more money.
Yeah, me too.
I'll survive till I get old.
Walking everything back there now.
I never expected that either. I don't know who.
Wow.
I don't know whose idea that was. That's your husband. That's your baby. Hi, my little baby. My big little baby. Oh my God.